Mullins into towards the feet of Dindan, back with Yebda, didn't bring it under control, loose ball's gone to Utaka, this is Quincy shoots, what a finish by Quincy Owusu-Abeyi! He's scored in a South Coast derby, and he's wrote himself into Pompey folklore as well, bent it right-footed beyond Kelvin Davis, the visiting supporters go ballistic, Pompey have taken the lead at St Mary's, it's Southampton 0, Portsmouth 1! Cuts in from the touchline, Harding to take it, left-footed, really good, deep towards the far post and headed in, and Southampton have an equaliser, and it's their main man Ricky Lambert who's brought the home side back on level terms, only 3 minutes after Pompey took the lead. The League One side are back in the game. They've been threatening all afternoon from set pieces, and Lambert was there at the far post, and David James can't keep that one out. Mullins picks up the remains, gives it to Quincy Owusu-Abeyi, who now runs at Southampton's beleaguered back line. Hickey onto his left, Dindan to his right, it's come through to Dindan, tips it over the goalkeeper and into the back of the net, and Pompey are back in front in the South Coast derby. It's Aruna Dindan from 6 yards out, lifts it over Kelvin Davis, and that is a way to silence your noisy neighbours. Southampton 1, Portsmouth 2. Cleared away as far as O'Hara, flicks it outside of his boot towards Dindan on the halfway line. Perry comes over, meets him, and what a ball by O'Hara to Belhaj, who's running in. 3, chance of Pompey, should be 3. Belhaj tucks it into the back of the net. Talk about composure in a South Coast derby. He's put Pompey, surely, into the quarter-finals of the FA Cup against their bitter rivals' expense, and it's Nadir Belhaj. Coolly slots it left-footed beyond Kelvin Davis. The Pompey fans go mad over to the right-hand side. They know their side are 8 minutes away from knocking Southampton out of the FA Cup. Dindan brings it down, O'Hara picks it up, lovely feet by O'Hara, Quincy's free on the left-hand side, Pompey are bursting forward looking for 4, it's Belhaj with Dindan in the penalty area, Quincy's in there as well, lays it off for O'Hara, who scores and makes it 4-1 to Pompey. They've done it again, they've smashed 4 past their South Coast rivals, and Jamie O'Hara lashes it home left-footed. It's a repeat scoreline of April 2005, and there's no doubt about it now. Pompey are into the quarter-finals of the FA Cup, and Southampton are crashing out.